Today we're going to make a bird feeder, but I'm going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to use this 6mm MDF to make templates to make the process far quicker and far more accurate and repeatable. I've got a stack of plywood offcuts here. Hopefully I can make the templates, transfer them onto these cut-offs, which are all different sizes, and we can produce a couple of bird feeders. We've got our side pieces. These cross members will join the side pieces together at the bottom, okay, and hold our mesh. The other thing we've done is we've actually got the roof pieces like that. Now the roof pieces extend outwards in all directions, hopefully making a little bit weatherproof. I've got a 4mm router bit in an offset base. I'm going to mark out where I need to bore. I really planned on doing this on the router table, but forgot about this hanging out here, so I can't run this along the fence. I've got to come up with, I've just made my own fence just now. We'll see how it goes. All right. All right, here's the final product. You can see the Perspex allows you to see the level of bird seed in the feeder, and I think it turned out really well. I like the fact that the lid is a hinged support, meaning there are no holes in the roof and it can easily be filled up again. Thanks for watching.